ISLचे गोयचे फ्रँचायज FC गोवान आपल्या फोर्सा गोवा फाउंडेशनाचे अनावरण बुधवारा को-ओनर भारतीय क्रिकेट कॅप्टन विराट कोहलीच्या हजेरीत केले। भुरग्यांक संवसारीक दर्जाचे एथलीट करपाचो आपलो हावेस को-ओनर विराट कोहलीन सुवाळ्यात उक्तायलो। या फाउंडेशनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान फक्त फुटबॉल मळारूच न्ही तर समाजाक प्रत्येक क्षेत्रात सक्षम करपाक फोर्सा गोवा फाउंडेशन वावुरतले म्हूण क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष अक्षय टंडन आनी फाउंडेशनाची MD जील फर्ग्युसन म्हणटा।
Look, beyond a point, it doesn't matter what sport you're playing. Once you represent sport in India, and you can get to a stage where you can start influencing people in the right way, I think any kind of inspiration that I can bring to the table to the athletes, because I can guarantee you, any sport that you play at the international level or the global level, the people that are doing well consistently, they have similar mindsets. So the way you think about the game, the way you prepare for the game, the way you take on opportunities, how you can train your mind from a very young age is something that matters a lot. So what I've learned, by playing at this level for so long, I can probably present that to the kids from a very young age. So when they come to this level, they're already ready for that pressure and to embrace the difficult times. So I think that for me that has been the most important factor. Hopefully, I can inspire a great number of kids here to become world-class athletes.
So for us, the thought process was, like Goa can Goa can represent something which is synonymous with developing football, not just in India but globally, and get a new age of football. So that's why Forza Goa Foundation.
बुलेटिनात सोपतो खबर तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप ट्विटर फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।